Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, it's corner bookmark time again. Today we're making this cute little Yeti. Yep, a little snow monster Yeti. And look, here he is inside another one. Super cute, super easy. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So you will need a square white piece of paper. This is roughly 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. White paper scraps, bits of blue paper, scissors, pen and glue stick. We begin as per usual by making our basic corner bookmark. By doing this, you turn that round to make a diamond. Then you fold the bottom up to make a triangle. Bring this corner up to the top. Repeat, bring that corner up to the top, open up. Now you should have two flaps. Bring one flap down, bring that fold over and tuck it in, and repeat. Bring that fold over and tuck it in. Now if that was a little bit quick for you, just remember you can pause the video as you go along. And hopefully you'll be able to do that. So you've got your basic little corner bookmark. Now we need to turn it into a Yeti. And this is where all our extras come into it. I'm going to begin by cutting a corner off for the mouth. So the easiest way to do that is to kind of make a little mark at the corners and cut it straight across. Then cut a tiny bit off. The reason you have to cut this off is so that you can fit it inside the mouth. And that should now neatly fit in. There we go, that's quite good, isn't it? Glue it down. And now it's time for the eyes and the face part. So I'm going to cut two circles the same size. You can cut them different sizes if you want. That could be quite fun. Have a bit of a crazy monster. You can use a coin, like a 5p coin or a 1 cent coin, to measure out the eyes if that's easier. 2 eyes. And a little piece of glue. I'm going to stick my eyes down. Maybe they're a little bit big, the eyes actually, but you know what, doesn't matter. Each Yeti has a different feel to it. And then cut out the eyes. So I'm going to shape it as I go around. So I'm going to cut into it a little bit, come around. And then as I go over, I'm just going to cut it straight across because I'm going to put some little hair pieces in a minute. Maybe cut this a little bit. That's good. So here I'm going to just cut like a little, you know, and it's got those little bits sticking out. Don't have to do this, you can just leave it plain if you want. But I kind of think it's quite cute. I didn't do that one very evenly, did I? Let's do another one over here. And then you can also do a little one down the side if you want. I think that'll do. Because it's a monster, it doesn't have to be perfect. Glue it down, add some little eyeballs, and you're almost done. The last thing we need, you can tell here already, are the teeth. Now I'm going to measure this across, so that goes to about here, the teeth. Just check that fits across, yep, and then you just zigzag it. Now I'm going to zigzag a little bit below, just so that I've got something to also stick on. So you need somewhere for the glue. You could just cut each triangle out separately if that's easier for you. That's fine. You can have them all the same size, or like I'm doing, all slightly different. Check that you're happy with them. Let's see. Yeah, I like those. Bit of glue at the top. So cute. There you have it. Super duper quick. That took me less than 5 minutes, or actually just about 5 minutes. But yeah, 5 minutes to make your super fun and super cute Yeti bookmarks for winter, or just because we love monster bookmarks, and this is a really cute little take. So yeah, don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Take care.